Hey friends, let's jump straight into the intro. This is guitar 1, and for this song we're tuned to E flats. We're playing an E chord, we have the open E string, then play B, E, B, G, B, E, B, then go to D, G, B, E, and then G, B, E, B. Slowly. Then go to second fret on the E, play open B, open E, open B, second fret G, open B, open E, open B. Then do the same but start with the open A, and then we have open B, E, B, second fret on the G, open B, open E, open B. And that's guitar 1 there, and we do that 4 times. Now let's have a look at guitar 2. So we're just starting with a pick slide. Then we're going to play an E power chord, but we're going to play the open E string as well. Second fret on the A, 9 on the D and the G. Then we're coming back to this F sharp, but we're going to play 4th fret on the A, 4 on the D, 6 on the G and 7 on the B. And we're going to do a down, up, down. Then we're just going to move up 3 frets, so we're playing an A here, same shape, 7, 7, 9, 10, and a down, up, down again there. Then we go back to the E power chord with the low E string, do that as a down, up, down. Then repeat the F sharp again, and the A again. And that's our intro there. We're going to start guitar 1 the same way we started the intro on the E. So that's all exactly the same, and then we're going to go to an A, open A string, open B, open E, open B, second fret on the G, open B, open E, open B. Then we're going to do the same but start on the second fret on the A. B, E, B, G, B, E, B. And just do that 2 times there. So we're just starting with an E power chord, then go to the A and do our down, up, down, A power chord, and then a B power chord. And just do that 2 times there, and that's our verse. So we don't play the first F sharp, then we just play an A sus2, open E, open B. Then we go back to the E and we do it the same as the intro again. The D. Don't play the F sharp again, then play the A, it's an A sus2. Then we're jumping to second fret on the build up, second fret A, play open E, open B, second fret G, then go B, E, B, G, B, E, B, G, B, E, B, G. And that's guitar 1 for the pre-chorus. Now let's have a look at guitar 2. So this time we're just starting on the F sharp, do it 2 times, and a stop, then come up to the A power chord, do it 2 times, and the second time slide back. Then we're just coming to an E power chord, play it 2 times open, 2 palm mutes, open, 3 palm mutes, 1, 2, 3, open, 2 palm mutes, open, 2 palm mutes, open. back to the F sharp power chord again 2 times, the A power chord with the slide, then we're just going to a B, play it as 1 and then all 8th notes, 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and that's our pre-chorus there. So this time starting with the E, play the open E, B, E, B, G, B, E, B. Then just go to 2nd fret on the E, play open B, open E, open B, 2nd fret on the G, B, E, B. And the next one's exactly the same, but we just play the open A. Then the same again, but play 2nd fret on the A. Do that 2 times through, then just end on an E chord there. Now let's have a look at guitar 2. So we just started with the E power chord, then we're going to the F sharp with the 4 on A, 4D, 6, G, 7, B. Then just move up to the A, so move up 3 frets, same shape. Then just move up another 2 frets to a B. Do that 2 times, back to the E, F sharp, A, D, and then finish on the E. And that's our chorus there. So for our verse, guitar 1 stays exactly the same, our clean guitar, and our heavy guitar we're going to play E 2 times, 2 palm mutes, off again, 2 palm mutes, and then repeat that again, 2 E's, 2 palm mutes, E, 2 palm mutes. Then play the A 2 times, 2 palm mutes, A again, 2 palm mutes, then go to the B power chord 2 times, 2 palm mutes, play it again, 1 palm mute, and then again there. And we just do that through 2 times there, and that's our 2nd verse. So then from there we do the pre-chorus, and that's the same. Then we do the chorus is the same, just leave out the last E and we're jumping to the bridge. Now guitar 1's just a clean guitar, we're just playing a C sharp minor 2 times, to a B, A, play A again, then go 4th fret on the E to an F sharp minor, and then to a B. Now let's do guitar 2. So it's exactly the same as guitar 1, we're just doing power chords, our C sharp, so 4 on the A, 6, D and G, and again, go to a B, to the A again, 4th fret E, to the F sharp power chord, to the B power chord. And that's our bridge there. From there we have our solo, and we'll do that at the end. Our solo rhythm is just the chorus, and that's exactly the same. Then we go back to the intro, we just do that 2 times, and then we have our chorus to finish off. The guitar 1 stays the same and guitar 2 changes. Let me do that for you. So we're playing the same chords as the other chorus we just did, but just start E 2 times, palm mute 2 times, off, and then palm mute 2 times. So. Then go up to our F sharp, the same way we played in the previous chorus, and we do the same pattern, 2 offs, 2 palm mutes, off, 2 palm mutes. Then go up to our A's, come up 3 frets, do the same again. And come up 2 frets again to our B and do that the same again. And and just keep repeating that to the end. And that's all our rhythm parts. Now let's have a look at our solo. Now we're going to start when he says right back down again. We're going to do 2 bends on the 11th fret G. Then just play 9th fret 3 times. Then we have a bend 11th fret G again. Then bend and release, pull off to 9. 12 on the B. Then we're going to play 9 G, 10 on the B 2 times. 9 on B and G. 7 on B, 9 on G 2 times. Go back to the 9 on B and G once, and then 9 and 10 once, and then repeat that again, 9 and 10 2 times, 9 and 9 2 times, 7 and 9 2 times. So we have then we're doing a bend on the 19th fret on the B. Play 19 E, do a bend again, 19 B, 19 on the E, bend and release 19 on the B, and play 16 on the G. Then we're going to play 14 on the B 3 times. Then we're just doing 2 on each of these, 16 on the B, 17, 19, go to E, 16 2 times, 17 2 times, 19 2 times, and then we're bending 19, bend it again, then do a bend and release, and just play 17 on the B. And that's our main solo there. Now let's have a look at our outro solo. So we're starting on 19 on the E, pull off to 16, play 17 B, back to 16 E. Do that 16 times there, then jump back to the G string, and we're doing the same as the main solo here. Bend 11 G, then bend again, pull off to 9, bend and release, pull off to 9, just play 12 on the B, then just play 10 2 times B, 9 2 times B, 7 2 times B, and 9 2 times on the G. And they're all our parts there. So thanks for watching, and I hope you enjoyed Cry Tough Guitar Lesson by Poison. Don't forget to like and subscribe and hit that notification bell. And if you love your 80s glam, pop and rock, jump onto my YouTube channel for hundreds more songs, and I'll see you soon.